Home Remedies presents
How to effectively clear mucus and phlegm in just 1 cup. Hello and welcome. Phlegm is produced by our mucous membranes, and having excess phlegm in the back of our mouth, throat, sinuses, respiratory tract, and lungs can be quite bothersome. While some mucus is normal and helps trap invaders like bacteria and viruses, an overwhelmed immune system can lead to excessive mucus production. This causes sinusitis, sinus pressure, and congestion in the chest and lungs, making it hard to breathe. I have a special elixir filled with nutrients and herbs that can help thin out phlegm and mucus in your respiratory tract. Let's take a look at its ingredients and how they work. Number 1, lemon juice. Rich in vitamin C, boosts the immune system, helps eliminate internal toxins, hydrates the body and acts as an anti-inflammatory, reduces mucus and phlegm. Number 2, raw natural honey, filled with antioxidants, antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral properties, immune boosting and anti-cancer benefits, soothes a sore throat and works as a natural cough suppressant, helps melt away excessive mucus. Number 3, olive oil, rich in healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, fights inflammation and protects cardiovascular health, reduces bad cholesterol and prevents excessive mucus production. Number 4, cinnamon, high in cinnamaldehyde, responsible for many health benefits, loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, helps fight infections and repair tissue damage, dissolves excessive phlegm and mucus. Healing medicinal elixir recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup of warm water, half lemon juiced, 1 to 2 teaspoons of natural honey, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, quarter teaspoon of cinnamon. Instructions: use warm or hot water based on your preference. Warm water helps emulsify and cleanse excess mucus. Add honey and cinnamon to the water first and mix well while it's hot. Add lemon juice and olive oil. Stir everything thoroughly and drink it down. When to take it? Preferably take this elixir first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This will help detoxify your lymphatic system and provide a kickstart to your day, keeping you strong and healthy. Incorporating this elixir into your daily routine can help thin out phlegm and mucus, making it easier to breathe and improving your overall respiratory health.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.